Hello everyone, myself Gautam. You are welcome to today's channel. Today we are going to study about the vacuoles and cell division. In previous video, we will discuss about the organs of the cell, the plasma reticulum, and Golgi apparatus. Third, lysosome, mitochondria, and plaster. We will discuss. And in this video, we will going to study about vacuoles and cell division. So first, vacuoles. In all plant cell, the all vacuoles are present, but not present in all animal cell. There is some animal cell that there is vacuoles are present, and vacuoles are larger in plant cell, but smaller in. You can say that plant cell have the larger vacuoles than animal cell, and in plant cell it consists 50 to 90% of space, and its main function to store food and nutrition which is required for cell. In single cell organism like amoeba, the food vacuoles consist the food from the amoeba has consumed. In some unicellular organism, a specified vacuoles also play important role to exhaling excess water and some waste from the cell. Then next, cell division. So first I will go to tell you about cell division, about the definition of cell division. Cell division are, you can say that the process by which new cell are made is known as, or you can say that the process by which new cell are developed is said to be cell division, and it's classified into two types: first mitosis and second meiosis. So the definition of mitosis is the process of cell division by which most of the cell divide for growth is called mitosis, and in this process all the cell is known as mother cell and divide to form two identical daughter, and the all daughter have equal chromosome as mother cell, and it help to growth and repair of tissue in organism. And second is meiosis, and in meiosis the mother cell form two daughters, and the two daughter form four daughters. So all daughters have half of chromosome then mother cell, and you can say that the mother cell, if mother cell have four chromosome, 8 chromosome, then the daughters of this mother have 2 chromosome. In this figure you can say that in mitosis there is 4 chromosome in mother cell, and daughter of the mitosis there is also form 4 chromosome, but in meiosis there is the 4 chromosome in mother cell but not present in a daughter cell. There is half of the chromosome in, and you can say that meiosis, in meiosis the mother cell, the daughter cell have half of chromosome of mother cell. Thank you, have a nice day. Today we complete this chapter of fundamental unit of life. If you have any doubt in this chapter, you can comment me, or if you like these videos, then you can, if you like this video and if you understand very carefully, and if you know anything about in this chapter with my video, you have to subscribe my channel, and please give a like in all the videos, and give me a beautiful comment. Thank you, bye bye.